Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be very special and informative for all of you. This video has been created based on your demand. Many of you have been asking me how I generate realistic AI talking characters for my channel and if I can create a complete tutorial on it.
So, in today's video, I will explain in detail how you can create realistic AI talking characters just like us. This video is going to be highly informative, so make sure you watch it till the end. Many people skip through videos and then complain that they didn't get the same results. If you want to generate high-quality, realistic AI talking characters for your channel, then stay with me till the end. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Now let's start our tutorial. As you have seen multiple AI talking characters in this video, we will create 4 such AI characters today. To begin, we need to generate images of our characters. For this, we will use...
So, let's visit the Leonardo AI website. Once you are there, create an account. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Now, click on Image Creation to start. Setting up the AI image generator. On the left-hand side, go to Model and select Flux Dev. Scroll down and turn off Normal Loss. Under Style, select Portrait Cinema. Next, select Peacock option and choose the image size as 16:9. Now, enter your prompt in the box. If you are generating an AI character for your own channel, replace my channel name with yours. Click on Generate, and the AI will create 4 images. If the images are not as expected, you can regenerate them. Once you get an image you like, click Download, and the image will be saved to your gallery. Enhancing image quality. To enhance the quality of your AI-generated image, you can upscale it directly within Leonardo AI. Simply select your downloaded image, use the upscale feature, and improve the resolution for better video quality. Now that we have a high-quality AI character image, we will animate it using Runway AI. Visit the Runway AI website and create a new account. Click on Generate Video and upload your enhanced image. Enter a prompt to create natural facial and hand movements. Choose Gen 3 Alpha Turbo for better animation. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Click Generate and let Runway AI process the video. Once the video is generated, preview it. If everything looks good, click Download, and your AI talking character video will be saved. After downloading the animated video from Runway AI, you can add lip sync to match the speech perfectly. Go back to Runway AI and click on the lip sync feature. Upload the video you just created with movements. Enter or upload the desired voiceover for lip syncing. Adjust settings and click Generate to apply the lip sync to your character. Once processing is complete, preview your video. If satisfied, click Download, and your AI-generated talking character with lip sync will be ready to use. Using Heygen AI for talking character videos. Another great tool for generating AI talking character videos is Heygen AI. With Heygen, you can directly upload your AI character image and create lip-synced videos with realistic movements. Visit the Heygen AI website and create an account. Click on Create Talking Avatar and upload your AI-generated image. Enter or upload a voiceover script for lip syncing. Choose a language, adjust settings, and click Generate Video. Once processing is complete, preview your video. If satisfied, click Download, and your AI-generated talking character video will be ready to use.
Heygen AI offers a simple and effective way to bring AI characters to life. making it another excellent option alongside Runway AI. However, when it comes to overall video quality, Runway AI provides better and more natural animations, making it the preferred choice for high-quality content. Important note about Runway AI. Runway AI provides free credits when you create a new account using a valid email. However, it does not work with temporary email services. If you run out of credits, you will need to sign up with a completely new email address to get additional credits if you want to create both male and female AI characters. The process remains the same. The only difference is in the prompt. In our next video, we will share prompts specifically designed for different character styles and movements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for creating AI talking character videos. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe into the channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video with more tutorials and new tools.